Uma muthenya wake hakuri family imwe kuma mwena wa Githumo thutha wa miiri ya endwa wale maratheririo ni maai muthenya wa ira mari gicigo-ini kia ugendi kia Hell's Gate kuonekana. Kuringana na umwe wa family ino na uria marari hamwe na aria marahofanirio ni maai maya augite marari hamwe na aruti wira eri a Hell's Gate aria maramaceragia kuo na ni marahetwo kiraniro ati hatiri ugwati ukumangethera kuona gutierigite kura.
I see family going one after the other. So my driver was next to me, we caught each other, and there's one guide and there's a Kenyan couple and my other niece was with us. So we held on to each other for 1 hour 30 minutes.
Oho ni mongereire kuga ati ni maramukirire thimu kuma kuri aria maratheririo makimera mari ugwatini na ni mageretie gwetha uteithio kuma kuri maabitha KWS indi hatire na umithio wothe maronire.
Calling, call after call. So I panicked, I disconnected the call, I tried calling him, the network was not going through. I called again and all I heard was maji inatuchukua. It got disconnected. Tried calling, all the other numbers were all switched off. By the time I got home, my mom already had the information, my brother had called my mom. So we called Hell's Gate at the reception and informed about the incident. So they asked me for a few details, who are they, this and that. I said, my brother guys are stuck, can you find out? And they didn't have any audacity to call us back.
Mwena-ini wake munini wa murugamiriri wa ruhonge rwa KWS Rift Valley ya gatagate augite mutino uyu uracungiririo ni mbura nene iria irauraga guku makiuga agendi no mathie na mbere na gucera kuo kuona matire na mubango wothe wa kuhinga.
During rainy season the gorges are no gone on, but like yesterday we didn't have rain there, but these are flash floods. It rained somewhere and it just came without notice, and unfortunately that's what happened. We are all close the gorge.
Mutino uyu ukite miaka 7 thutha wa andu 7 kuma kanitha-ini wa PCEA Dagureti kuhofanirio ni mutino ta uyu kuria othe ni makuire. Ngiribotera Kameme TV ritwa rakwa ni Wanjiru wa Foro.